Chances are, if you've been looking at new construction homes, you've seen a lot of pre-construction, just building from scratch where you have to add up the base price, plus the cost of the land, plus any and all upgrades that you may want. And while that's definitely an option, the model we're going to take a look at in Port St Lucie is in a community that's closing out, which means that I know of great deals in the $500,000 to $600,000 where you can get a new home that you can move into in the next 30, 60, 90 days. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stay until the end. And as always, I'm Raphael. I'm an independent broker that specializes in new construction and newly built communities. I can help and work with you to find the right home and maximize your incentives. So this home is the starting size for the builder in the community, coming in at 1,850 square feet under air and a simple 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage. There's a longer foyer that leads into the open concept kitchen, living, and dining room, and it separates the master from the secondary bedrooms up front. And they offer this home in a few different communities outside of Port St Lucie, like in Vero Beach, closer to the ocean, and in Stewart. So if you're looking for something like this, or maybe a little bigger or smaller, I know a lot of off-market opportunities for new construction homes, and I can help you with homes for sale in this or any other community on the Treasure Coast. You can connect with me either by giving me a call or emailing me. That way, if you have any questions and would like to work together and leverage my expertise, you can reach me directly. So let me know what you thought of this home in the comments below. And if you're looking to make a move to Port St Lucie, Palm Beach, or Vero, I'm going to put my information right up here so that you can reach out to me directly. I have inside information on all of the new developments by working with these builders regularly, and I can help you with any of these homes for sale and even the off-market properties like this one.